Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today we are going to review our expert advisor, that is BRPR, which is specifically created for Euro USD trading. And this works on MACD, stochastics, RSI, and various other inbuilt indicators, as well as a couple of other strategies. It has a feature that you can use it as one way or either two-way averaging. Two-way averaging doesn't mean that you are going to open the reverse trade at the same time, but yes, based on the indicators and the strategies that are involved with this expert advisor, if the trade goes as per the market direction, if the trade goes against you, then it may open the reverse trade as well. Okay, that all depends on the conditions. And the minimum recommendation to trade with this expert advisor is 1000 US dollar. Okay, and if you are not comfortable, you can trade with US cent as well. But yes, that should be at least 1000 or above. And but we started with 501 just to check the feasibility of this expert advisor and how this expert advisor can manage the situation when there are a lot of fluctuations in the market. Okay, specifically this is for Euro USD, as I said, and it can be traded for other currency pairs as well. But yes, Euro USD is the best for this expert advisor at this moment. So please ignore the initial three trades. As you can see, Euro JPY or Euro GBP actually like that was taken manually, and I was not aware at that moment that I'm taking these trades on the account where I'm going to install this expert advisor. Anyways, please ignore just these three trades, and let's go from here. Okay, so based on condition to conditions, it used to take the reverse trade as and when necessary. It is not something that will be taken always. Maybe you will see the same trades in the same direction, but yes, it depends on the strategies that are involved and condition to condition as per the market. And based on the setting that we are using currently, we are not taking higher lot size. Mostly like 90% of the cases, 90 to 92% of the cases, we have taken 0.01 lot size in most of the trades. 0.02 could be like another 4 to 5%. Okay, and 0.03 lot size is on very special condition, and 0.04 lot size is very occasional. And you will hardly notice, like as I am just showing you right now, you will hardly notice 0.04 lot size. But yes, 0.04 lot size has been taken on very extreme conditions. Okay, and as you know, like every video that I create it from scratch, from start, right? So it is all from the same account. It is not something that I'm clubbing anything. So far, today is 2nd of February, so it seems that we have completed almost around how much? Uh, it's more than 5 months, so it could be around 25 weeks or so. I still have to calculate the number of weeks, but it should be around that only, 25 to 26 weeks, I guess. Okay, so we made a profit of 1237 in a span of couple of months. And here are the running trades. You can see these are the running trades, and most of them are in buy and one trade is in sell. Okay, so I just calculated, I think it's 23 weeks, it's not 24 or 25, it's 23 weeks that we completed. Okay, and now if you would like to see the my FX book statistics, then let me show you there. Just wait for a second. So here is the my FX book page, and so based on the graph, it is the growth graph. This is the balance graph. Okay, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. As I said, the minimum recommendation is 1000 plus. 1000 is the minimum, and if you can do 1200 to 1500, that would be ideal for zero point 0.01 lot size as a default, as per the setting that we are using. Okay, and since we started with just 501, probably this drawdown has increased a bit, but yes, this is what the figure is in front of you. Okay, so the monthly is 25.26%. The maximum drawdown that went is up to 42.14%. Okay, and this is what we made. Today we made 2.11%. This week we made 4.71%. This month we made 2.98%. Okay, and this year we made 17.79%. This year means January, uh, the whole January, and February is just the second day, right? Okay, and now if you like to see the monthly wise returns, then 2024 you can see 2.98%, and in January we made 14.39%, and monthly wise in August we made 17.52%, in September 34%, in October almost 32%, November 21%, and in December 17%. Okay, so this is the statistics in front of you, and in case if you have any question about this expert advisor or any other system uh, that we attached with my FX book, you can contact me via email or telegram, or you are free to visit or watch other expert advisor videos that we have uploaded in this channel. And if you have any question, feel free to contact us by email or telegram. I have mentioned both email and telegram in the video description. Kindly have a look, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and I will be coming back very soon with new updates on this and other expert advisors and new expert advisors that are in the testing phase. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my Telegram channel. I do not post very frequently, but some information might help. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as please join our Telegram channel. Thank you very much, guys.